Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make mushroom 65. Very delicious and easy snack recipe, perfect for a tea time snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 100 grams of mushroom. Clean, wash it and keep it ready. Cut it into big chunks like this. Likewise, cut all the mushroom and keep it ready. Now to a mixing bowl, add 2 teaspoons of Maida or all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of corn flour, a teaspoon of gram flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of lemon juice and half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give all the ingredients a good mix with your hand. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. We're looking for a dripping batter consistency. Now we have it right. Add in the chopped mushroom pieces and give it a gentle mix. Make sure not to break the mushroom pieces. Now it's all well mixed and ready to get fried. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the mushroom pieces one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious mushroom 65 is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this mushroom 65 recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.